So for the next question, we say the third example, we say given 4x minus 3y equals 13 and negative 5x plus 2y equals negative 18. So this is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Again, I will start by saying using Kramer's method. Again, do not try to memorize the formula, just take it out from letters and numbers here by covering the x. So I have C1, B1, C2, B2. This comes down, so it has to be in the same position, and then I just write A1, A2. From there, then I just need to plug in my numbers. So I know these are the C's, so I'm going to use 13 and negative 18, that's automatic. And then remember to take the sign, so negative 3 and positive 2. And of course that goes down as well, as that repeats itself. And then what numbers I have not used, which is the 4 and negative 5, will be the last thing for me to write. Now that I have that, now I go to do my actual calculation. So I'm doing a determinant really, which is AD minus BC. So 13 times 2 minus negative 3 times negative 18. And underneath, 4 times 2 minus negative 3 times negative 5. So I know my answers for these at least are going to be negatives for this part. So x is equal then to what? Well, 13 times 2 is 26. I have a negative, a negative, and another negative, so I know my next number will be negative. 3 times 18 is what? It's 54, is it not?
Yes, sir.
54. Then 4 times 2, we know that's 8. Again, negative, negative, and another negative, so I know my value will be a negative. And 3 times 5, I will know it's 15. I know it's 15. So I'll have x is equal to, well, whenever the larger number is negative, I know the value will be a negative. And so I just have to subtract the numbers. So 54 minus 26, I know there will be an 8 somewhere. And 2, I believe it's 28. And then the same thing underneath, the larger number is negative, so I know I'm going to have a negative there. So I just subtract 8 from 15, and I believe I get 7. And so a negative divided by a negative is obviously a positive, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. So that is my result for this one, at least the x for this one. Questions, guys?